guys, let me know when you can see me. Hey, how you guys doing? Let's see if we can make a live trade on this live stream. Hey, Bartos, how are you? Yay, come on. Yeah, I'll be getting the Ethereum chart also out, yeah. Definitely, it's just about breaking all-time high also, so, but not too much, so we're going to see if we can see any trade opportunities, guys. Let me just sort this out. Hey. Good, man. Do you make any trades, Bartos? Mickey, hey, Mickey. Oh man, here we got the scams already on the comment section. Let's see if we can make a trade here, guys. Live trade. I've got my PrimeXbt open, ready for a trade, potential trade. We're gonna see if the price of Bitcoin is gonna do a bull flag here or something. Remember yesterday I was talking about the RSI having this bearish divergence, so, but it looks like we're going to break out here already from this bearish divergence. We've broken all-time high. Volume is coming in on the 15-minute chart. Hey, TKF Adisa, thank you very much for watching. So yeah, guys, let's go to the 5-minute chart. We potentially could do a trade here. See if we can form a bull flag here and wait for a breakout. Let's go to the 1-minute chart. $1 million X leverage long. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Full Story Gaming. Do not do that. You will get wrecked. But anyway, we've broken all-time high. There's a huge amount of volume here. As you can see, this green box was the old all-time high. Okay, it was around the $61,800. So yeah, we could potentially, you know, wait for this to be maybe a bull flag, something like that, or a bull pennant. We're going to see if we can break out with some volume and potentially do a trade here, guys. Yeah, smash up the like button, guys. Come on. How many likes now? Not too many, I guess. 8 likes. Come on. 38 viewers. That's not too bad, though. For 3,480 subscribers, I think. Andy Waters. Hi. Another Andy in the group. All right, guys. Well, remember that we were talking about, if you've been here before on my channel, about this huge ascending wedge also. This huge on the 4-hourly chart, we can see that we've broken here the resistance from the RSI also, so no more bearish divergence. On the 4-hourly chart, we can see that also this inverse head and shoulder pattern. You know, I've seen other YouTubers, other technical analysts talking about this. And supposedly the measured move from this breakout, which was on Saturday, a couple of days back, you know, supposedly the move is from the breakout. This should take us all the way to the $68,500 range. Okay, this would be the top of the wedge, of this huge ascending wedge. So yeah, we could see $68,000 Bitcoin in the next coming days. Yeah, Oscar the Grouch in the house. Oh, 6K will be buying new dumpster. Congratulations, 6K. Wow. Oscar, congratulations. So, yeah, guys, and Ethereum, Litecoin also. Litecoin is looking really, really good. Okay, I thought Litecoin, this support from Litecoin, if we go to the 1-hourly chart, I thought it was going to fail. I thought we were going to come down to the $230 range, but this support area hold nicely, and yeah, we're shooting up. Looks looks like we created this downwards channel, went to the upside. If Litecoin comes all the way down here, I'll be entering a trade to the upside, but it's looking very, very bullish. Very bullish Litecoin. So got a decent amount of volume here, and we could potentially say that all of this is a pull, and this is a bear flag. And from the breakout, whoop, so yeah, we could see Litecoin, you know, coming all the way to the $280 range in the next hours potentially. How do you personally look for take profit targets in price discovery territory? Well, that is a very good question. Price discovery, I mean, it's just, it can go up and up, but if I'm trading this, for example, or if I'm trading Bitcoin, if I'm doing any swing trades, basically I would, you know, my stop loss will be far away, so liquidation price, I only trade with 3, 4x or 5x maybe. I don't do any 20x or 50x or any of that, because I've had bad experience obviously with it, you know. And for this case, for Bitcoin, I would be targeting the $68,000, potentially getting some profits there. So this trade could take 2 days, 4 days, 1 week, you know, even 2 weeks. But if you want to do some swing trading, guys, you can do it on Bybit. Bybit is my favorite swing trading platform for this, because the fees are really, really low for if you're going to have it for over a week. I do not swing trade on PrimeXbt because the fees are expensive, guys. How do you personally look? Yes, live video. Yes, first one. Yeah, let's take a look at ADA. Yeah, ADA. Let's see. Also the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Also, we've had a huge pump on the Bitcoin dominance. That's why Bitcoin is breaking all-time highs, and Ethereum and other altcoins are just struggling to pump right now because the Bitcoin dominance is pumping right now, as you can see. Let's take a look at ADA. Guys, can you hear the music? Is there any background music? Let's check out ADA with Binance. Yeah, I mean, oh yeah, I did some technical analysis on ADA about a week ago maybe. I have this ascending triangle, so it's still looking very bullish. You know, we can see we are creating higher lows, as you can see right over here. So yeah, it's looking quite bullish, you know. As long as we stay above this uptrend, you know, we do not break to the downside. Yeah, ADA is looking really, really good here on the 4-hourly chart. We have these this high over here, which is all-time high, just about the $1.50. So we might, if we get another test here of the resistance, very, very likely that we're going to break to the upside for ADA. Cool, man. We can hear the music. Yeah, the big. Been waiting for your mentor. Hey, how are you doing? Abu Yun, Stefan, I am Money, Artos, top supporters of the channel. Glad to see you here. Glad to see you here, guys. Well, yeah, ADA is looking really good. If we break the all-time high, which is at $1.50, yeah, the measured move would be this the back of the symmetrical, this ascending triangle. You know, from the breakout, this could take ADA to the $2 range, $2.10 range. So yeah, it's not going to go there in a day or 2 days. It might take a week, 2 weeks, but is the streaming is it lagging? Can you guys hear me? Am I still here? Is the streaming lagging? I need you to tell me, guys, on the comment section. It's lagging a little though. Okay, my internet connection is really bad. I need to fix it. Well, yeah, for the ADA price, guys, this is what we can expect for the next coming weeks. It's looking really bullish. You know, the price is going up. Another retest of this resistance. That would be a third retest at the $1.50. Very likely it will break at the third retest. You know, buying pressure here, uptrend, ascending triangle. So just one more retest here at the resistance point. And yeah, we can see a blast off for ADA in the next coming weeks. This breakout needs to happen before the 4th of May, which is the end here of the ascending triangle. ADA is rocking, yeah. The project is looking really good. I think they haven't got the main net on yet on ADA. I think they're struggling with their timing, but a lot of people, a lot of investors betting on ADA. Okay, well, gonna try and fix the video streaming. So let me know which altcoin do you want me to pull out. Shall I put out some altcoin charts here? So Chainlink, or I don't know. Which altcoin are you bullish on? The engine? Let me know, guys. We'll have a look. Check out the Bitcoin price here on the 5-minute chart. See if we looking here for this pending to break. We might have a retracement here. Go to the 1-minute chart. Nexo, Polkadot. Okay, we'll get Nexo and Polkadot out. See if we can find some good buying entries. Looks like. Let's see if we might get a retracement to the all-time high, the $61,800 range. Okay, we might break to the downside here. This would be a great entry point in my opinion. This is the all-time high. We've got a decent amount of volume. This breakout is incredible. Got a great breakout here. If we go to the 5-minute chart, if we get the Fibonacci extension tool, sorry, the Fibonacci retracement from the pump here all the way up here, you know, we could easily come all the way down around over here. This would be a nice entry in my opinion. I might do an entry here on PrimeXbt if we come all the way down here and place a long for at least maybe a double top here right over there. So yeah, if we come down here, I might place a long trade for Bitcoin. All right, VeChain. I bought VeChain. VeChain has been my best investment, best altcoin investment. I bought VeChain at 0.003 cents of a dollar. So huge gains on VeChain. I've done about a 30x. I invested in March, just when the virus, when we had this huge crash for Bitcoin and altcoins and stock market. And VeChain has been my best investment. About a 30x on VeChain. Theta is an incredible project. Theta is gonna revolutionize the streaming. Absolutely, I love Theta. I haven't invested anything on Theta. I've been seeing Theta since it was 7 cents when the virus crashed. When we had the stock market crash, I saw Theta at 7 cents, even 15 cents, and I did not invest anything. And it was a great project. I already knew it was a great project, but you cannot get all of them, guys. It's just you cannot fish all of the projects. Let's take a look at one of these altcoins that you've been saying. Nexo, Polkadot. Let's go here on the Ethereum chart. No, 88 here. Nexo against the US dollar, I guess. Yeah, Nexo US dollar hit BTC. Wow. Nexo is flying. Wow, look at this. Wow, Nexo is doing really good. I've heard about Nexo, but I haven't done a deep dive on the project. So, But look at that, wow, it's looking incredibly bullish. Just check out the 1 hourly chart here. Well, it's been pumping for the last couple of days. Wow, it's gone up since the 12th. 12th was yesterday, right? Today we're 13th. We've had a pump from yesterday all the way from today. 20% pump in 2 days, in less than 48 hours. Wow, Nexo is looking really bullish. I wouldn't enter now Nexo. I would wait for a pullback, potentially around this area. It might not even come down the $2.9 area, but yeah. Nexo looking extremely bullish. As you can see here, Nexo was creating like an ascending triangle also. You know, but the buying pressure was, you know, buying and creating this ascending triangle, and finally breaking out the resistance point. He was not holding, so the buying pressure was up, exploded out. So we're going to expect this for ADA also. We've been taking a look at ADA, and ADA, you know, might do this in the next coming days. We might have a nice pump to the $1.50, and we're creating this huge ascending triangle. So looking for an explosive move around the $1.50, guys. You can trade ADA on Femex. So if you're interested in trading, guys, if you are experienced also, the links are in the description. You'll be getting the best bonus available. Only if you're experienced, guys. Trading is extremely risky, but you know, there's always a time where you can start trading. You need to practice, you know, don't risk more than you're willing to lose. Let me see other Nexo. Yeah, checked out Nexo. Check out Roon. Roon rings a bell. Roon, US dollar. Congratulations on the Nexo holding, Max. Yeah. Roon. I mean, most of the altcoins are looking, you know, really bullish. Roon is now, you know, struggling to get high. Is it all-time high? Let me just check here. I'm not sure if it's all-time high. Let's take a look at Roon on CoinGecko. See. Roon. Oh, Thorchain. Yeah. I've been hearing about Thorchain. Yeah. Wow. I mean, loads of altcoins are just exploding. Since the beginning of the year, they've been going up 10x, 20x. Let's take a look at the chart here for Roon. It seems like it's struggling now to get above its all-time highs a little bit. If we break here, the all-time highs, we're looking extremely bullish. If not, potentially they will be doing a double top, as you can see right here. So if we do a double top here, we'll come down to retest this other support level, which would be there. As you can see, you know, we broke here nicely, had a nice retracement, great buying opportunity. I like buying at the support levels once we break all-time highs. So we broke there, you know, had a great buying entry right over here. Now pump to the upside. I like buying here, and the price of any asset doing a double top, and this is my exit strategy, for example. I like buying into the support. If it breaks all-time high, buy here, sell here. That's it. If it breaks all-time high now, well, that's fine. You need to have a trading strategy. You exit your trade here because it might do a double top, come back down and retest the support area. So Roon is looking bullish, but struggling now a little bit to break this all-time high. I'm sure it will break because I think there's good news for Roon. I think I saw it on, where was it? I think here, yeah. On Cointelegraph, there was a news about Roon here. Yeah, where was, I saw it, the Coinbase. Anyway, I saw there was good news for Roon coming in the next couple of days on Cointelegraph. Yeah, Theta looking really bullish also. bullish charts for Theta US dollar. Guys, make sure to smash up the like button. 32 likes now. Make sure to smash up that like button, please. Much appreciated. Well, yeah, Theta. Theta is one of the best projects, altcoin project, cryptocurrencies out there. Looking very, very bullish. If we check out the 4-hourly chart, it has had a sustained growth. It hasn't gone just parabolic just yet. I think Theta can, reach $50 before the end of the year. And I haven't got any Theta at all. I've been watching Theta since it was 7 cents just here when the Corona crash, just right over here. It even went below that. I remember seeing it at about 7 cents, thinking, should I buy Theta? But I was buying VeChain, I was buying Chainlink. You cannot buy them all, guys. I'm not going to have a bag of 30 altcoins. You shouldn't do that. You should have 10 altcoins maybe. You know the deal. You know the deal. At least 50-60% in Bitcoin, 20% in Ethereum, and 20% distributed in 10 altcoins maybe. Even though Chainlink is my second largest position in my portfolio, and then it's Ethereum. So it's Bitcoin, Chainlink, and then Ethereum. Bitcoin up 500%. I'm from Spain. That's why, yeah, my trading view is in Spanish because I'm from Spain. I'm from Mallorca. Thank you, Oscar TG. Roon breaking all-time high with cup and handle. Let's check out Roon. Let's check it. US dollar. Whoa, what am I doing? Roon US dollar. Cup and handle on Roon. Okay. Let me check out Roon here on the 15-minute chart maybe. Okay. BNB is doing, yeah, BNB. I remember buying BNB. I was using what do you call this? It was automatic trading bots, Krill. I was using Krill with API key and everything, and this is a automatic trading platform, Krill. I'm not sure if you know about Krill. And I was buying BNB for about $17 last year, and I had dozens and dozens of, not hundreds, but I did have over 50 BNB. Just for the trading, just for fees really, and I sold everything. I sold everything for Chainlink, for VeChain, and now I'm seeing BNB going through the roof. Yeah, I mean it happens, guys. You can't have them all. I regret not having my BNB, and you do know that BNB, it's the biggest, it's the largest exchange with the largest volume. Most cryptocurrencies trade there. But anyway, I'm a huge fan of Chainlink. So, huge cup and handle for Roon, right? I guess you are saying this being the cup, right? And this the potential handle, if I'm correct. So yeah, Roon could have an explosive move here. Yeah, this could be actually a cup and handle. Being this the cup, the handle, sorry, yeah. And the cup right over here. Yeah, potentially if we break the all-time high now, yeah, we could expect Roon to blast off, guys. Blast off. The measured move from this cup and handle would be getting the low part of the cup to to the resistance point, and yeah, we could see a $14.5 in the next coming days for Roon. Yep, looking really bullish. It's already had 2 retests here, now a third one. Very likely it might blast off of not coming down and doing a double top. Max, you're from the Canary Islands. I've got family in the Canary Islands. My cousins and uncles are from the Canary Islands. Yeah, my auntie lives there. From Tenerife, from Santa Cruz. My mum's from the Isle of Man. Yeah, from Great Britain. Yeah, the Isle of Man. Yeah. XRP. Let's take a look at XRP. I did take a look at XRP not long ago. Let's take a look at XRP on Binance, for example. Yeah, well, quick look at XRP. Well, yeah, XRP. Yeah, let's go to Bitstamp. Because, yeah, we were talking about XRP before. Because I've got this triangle right over here. XRP is, yeah, it's just looking really bullish at the moment. But, you know, you want to buy on XRP right over here. Potentially it's going to have a huge retracement. You can look for some trades, you know, obviously this was a nice consolidation phase for XRP. You can see, you know, the volume going down and creating, you know, this pattern over here. Getting the, you know, measured move would be this, boom, whoops. And from the breakout, as you can see, you know, basic technical analysis just plays out so nice sometimes, guys. Look, you can see this resistance points coming down, this uptrend, higher lows, breakout, boom. But yeah, it's had many pumps now, so XRP might have a huge retracement, guys. Be careful with the XRP. Altcoins are looking very hyped at the moment. BNB, yeah. 61k for Bitcoin. Retracement, yeah, very possible. Let's take a look at yeah, we might have a retracement to the $61,800 for Bitcoin, in my opinion. If we check out the daily chart, then we can see, you know, the all-time high here. Let's go to the 4-hourly better so we can see it. Yeah, so the all-time high was just here at the $61,800 range. So I do not think we would go down to the 61, maybe a wick down actually, because, you know, it's very volatile. A lot of people are going to place some long orders right now, breaking all-time high, potentially looking for the $68,000, which is the measured move from this inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern. So potential swing trade, guys. Very good swing trade if you want to swing trade. Your best platforms is Bybit and Femix. You know, I've got links in the description. You'll be getting the best bonus if you are experienced. The measured move, you know, from this inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern is about the $68,000 range, getting the head here to the support, to the resistance. From the breakout, yeah, we could see the $68,500 range in the next coming days, maybe a week or two. We could actually shoot up from here because Bitcoin can move $5,000 in a day. We did see this before with the Elon Musk pump. I think it moved something like 5 or 6k in hours. So yeah, guys, let's see other questions. You're from the UK, Max? Yeah, great, man. I love the UK, not the weather though. UK's good. I have my uncle living in Portsmouth. I like the UK just for holidays though, not for living. I prefer living in Mallorca. The name of the song. I'll type it in. Oop. Yeah, sorry for the lagging, guys. I'm going to fix my internet very soon. I need to pass a cable because I'm using Wi-Fi at the moment. So I need to pass it like a 10-meter cable for my internet. Yeah, the Isle of Man. Yeah, the TT Racing. I've been about 5 times to look at the TT Racing. It's amazing. Yeah, really good. Tomorrow's Coinbase IPO. Maybe Bitcoin will explode. Yes, I know Coinbase IPO tomorrow. So it's looking extremely bullish. The FOMO, the euphoria phase for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies hasn't arrived yet, guys, in my opinion. Because we've been hanging around the $50,000 and $60,000 range, you know, for over a month now, and this is a consolidation. Okay, so no holders planning to sell anytime soon. So and exchanges are running out of Bitcoin. It is going down. So yeah, I think Bitcoin 100k. What price predictions? What are you expecting for Bitcoin to do in the next coming months? Are we going to hit 100k? Will we go to 200k? Okay, let's take a look at Polkadot. Andy Waters, great name, Andy. Polkadot. Yeah, Polkadot I think has been lagging lately. It went to $30, $40, and then just stayed there for a bit. Whoop. Okay, yeah, Polkadot. Yeah, it's looking bullish. It's just having a consolidation phase around this area. So yeah, more upside for Polkadot definitely in this bull run. We're just consolidating around this area. You can see this is major resistance right over here. We're getting bounced nicely. So yeah, looking bullish. If we get a nice bounce, Polkadot here and break all-time highs, that'll be great for Polkadot. Yeah, I think this resistance should hold nicely as support right there. Looks like we might be creating a kind of double bottom pattern right over here. And then shoot to the upside. Yeah, looking bullish. Polkadot is looking bullish. April, 72.80, possibly 100k by June. Yeah, definitely. If we go to, let's go to the Brave. Okay, Bravecoin, new Bravecoin. Let's check out the Bitcoin. Oh, how is this? Bitcoin. Just want to check the logarithmic chart. Yeah, well, remember these are the old all-time highs. You know, we could go to 100k, 150k. Ethereum exact target. What do you mean for this bull market? Ethereum exact target for the end of the bull market. I think you know, a lot of analysts are expecting in between 5 and 10k for Ethereum. So yeah, we could see a 5k Ethereum. Litecoin, yeah, Litecoin looking really bullish. Litecoin looking extremely bullish. We check out the 15-minute chart. We created this downwards channel. I thought this support was not going to hold, and we were going to come down and retest, but we have hold nicely here for Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin looking really bullish. Remember guys, yeah, we've been talking about Litecoin for several weeks now. If I go to the 4-hourly chart, you know, we were talking about this symmetrical triangle. Also, I was talking about this, you can't see it now here because there's a lot of noise. Inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. We had this resistance point. We broke out, we bounced, and I told you, oh, right over here, if we come and retest again this resistance area, you know, it is 4 times we are retesting now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th attempt, it's likely to break to the upside. We had a massive pump. So yeah, we've been talking about Litecoin for several weeks now here. And the measured move, guys, the impulse, the technical analysis target from the breakout, we're talking is over $300, $310. So Litecoin needs to arrive, in my opinion, you know, with this old bullish sentiment, to the $300 range. So yeah, but perfect for swing trading, guys. You can swing trade Litecoin on Bybit or even Femex. They got the US dollar tether perpetual, and on Femex US dollar tether. So great. Look how it bounced nicely here from the resistance here of this symmetrical triangle. Great buying opportunity right there to ride this pump, and this can continue all the way up to $300, guys. It's the measured move from the breakout of the symmetrical triangle. Do the fees get higher the longer you hold a trade on Bybit? Well, the fees add to your position, so yes, they do. Obviously, if you have, but they're still relatively cheap compared to PrimeXbt. The fees on PrimeXbt are expensive for swing trades, guys. If you have a trade open for 4 or 5 days or a week on PrimeXbt, the fees are expensive for the night. So yeah, I suggest for swing trades, Bybit and Femex, the fees are really, really cheap. BTC exploding right now. Yeah, BTC looking really bullish. So 63,300. Okay. Poof. Breaking to the upside here. Let's check out the 5-minute chart. Yeah. Oh, I actually wanted to trade this. Yeah, easy. But anyway, plenty of opportunities, guys. Plenty of opportunities. Yeah, Bitcoin could now go, guys. This is, we could easily say this is a pull, okay, going into this bull flag. So we can expect the Bitcoin price to have a huge leg up now to the $64,500 range, as you can see right over here. You know, volume is kicking in. You could say this consolidation phase, leg up, bull flag, bull pennant, breakout. Yeah, we could expect Bitcoin to go to the $64,500 area. Pumping now with some volume also. Looking really, really bullish. I would have traded this breakout, guys, but never mind. I'm doing a live stream. Happy enough to get to know you guys. BTC going crazy again. Wow, $310. Yeah, Litecoin definitely going to the $300 range. Absolutely, yeah. Looking really, really bullish. Yeah, Litecoin is one of my favorites also. Bitcoin breaking 63k. Yeah, Bitcoin go to 64,500 in the next coming hours, guys. By the technical analysis, this right here is all-time high. This right here, all-time high. So yeah, we have this the pull right over here. Pull flag. No, a leg up to the $64,500 range. And we can see the volume also kicking in. So looking bullish, guys. $68,000 BTC in the next coming days or weeks. Now, guys, make sure to smash up the like button. 62 viewers, 45 likes. Well, good enough. Great to see a live stream. I'm a big fan. Carl Roan. Yay, Carl. Thank you for watching. Everyone talking about P cycle. Top end says that we have 3 days only before retracement. Well, I've been looking at the P cycle chart also, but probably in this cycle it is not reliable because looking at other fundamentals, other charts, we can see that the exchanges are running out of Bitcoin. We have a huge decline on Bitcoin on exchanges. So, and the demand is growing. We've got ETF approvals, you know, Coinbase IPO probably won't affect the price. Maybe yes, maybe no, but too much news coming out. The people are realizing that Bitcoin is here for the long term. So we might have a huge growth, guys. This could be a super cycle. You know, we are underestimating the price of Bitcoin, what it can do. You know, people are saying 100,000, yeah, or maybe topping out at 115,000. I've seen some people talking about 115,000. But yeah, we could definitely shoot up to 300,000. This is possible, guys, in crypto. You sold your Litecoin at, well, could you check out STX? STX. Let's check out STX, guys, here. Is that stacks, right? I think. STX US dollar. Block stacks, yeah. Block stacks. Wow, yeah, block stacks looking really good. Really bullish on block stacks. Oh, had a nice, whoa, huge pump on the 5th of April, and now having a consolidation phase. Lagging, guys, a little bit. Yeah, internet is not working too well. I'll be passing a cable, 10-meter cable for the internet for live streams because, yeah, lagging very, very much. Yeah, block stacks, we've had a huge pump here for block stacks. We go to the daily chart. Wow, yeah, I mean, looking really, really bullish. I do not think that we are going to go below this huge candle. Huge amount of volume, so below the $1.15, very unlikely for block stacks at this point. See, I sold mine at 160 US dollar. What an idiot. I won't sell anything anymore. If I need money, I borrow it against my crypto on Nexo or Coin Loan or Celsius. Well, yeah, I mean, it all depends. Well, if it's money that you need, you know, you shouldn't be investing in the first time, max. But I think we have quite a long run still for the crypto cycle, for Bitcoin cycle. At least till the summer. Some people think that we are going to peak around August. Other people think we're going to peak in October. So I do several months. You know, we need to see hype, guys. We need to see candles that we've never seen before. This is when the hype is, you know, just having a blow off top, like .com bubble, like 2017 cycle. We need to see something like that, where in weeks we just see, you know, huge green candles to the upside, and then is when we're going to peak for sure in the short term. Maybe it's going to be June, August, October. I do reckon it's going to be before the end of the year though. We okay, keep watching your BTC chart and make money. We are watching you. Great, man. I'm in crypto, your #1 fan from Mediterranean. I am Money. Thank you very much. Where are you from? From the Mediterranean. How about your favorite alt, Request? Yeah, Request has been lagging at the moment. So let's check out Request Network. Request. But remember, guys, you know, usually in the cycles, you know, first it's Bitcoin and Ethereum, then we go to large mid caps, and then people speculate. You can see the mid caps going crazy here on CoinGecko, just exploding, and then the low caps are not exploding that much because, you know, the investors, they scale down. You know, the speculators start from Bitcoin, Ethereum, then to mid caps, you know, exploding, and then they go to low caps. So Request is a mid-low cap. So I think in the next coming months, you know, they'll be the last ones. When you think that the bull cycle is over, we'll see, you know, low cap altcoins just going, you know, 30x, 50x in days. It's going to be crazy. And that is a clear signal that we are just about to peak in the cycle. Maybe Bitcoin has already reached its peak, and then it's going to be altcoin speculation. Request network. Well, Request network, I have some lines here. So looks like we are holding nicely above the 13 cent. We're getting supported here, but yeah, it looks like it's struggling to break the all-time highs, which is at about, no, not all-time highs, sorry, this high over here, $0.19. So, but yeah, let's check out the 15-minute chart here for Request network. Whoop, maybe the 1 hourly chart. Yeah, woof. Oof. Request network just about holding this support area. Oof. Let's hope. I hold actually a bit of request. I think it's 1% of my portfolio. Request net 1 or 2%. But yeah, hoping that this support area is going to hold nicely and we might break resistance. But it is looking a little bit weak right now. Checking out the Bitcoin dominance has had an insane pump today. So that's why it's breaking all-time high, and the altcoins are lagging behind. This is the Bitcoin dominance on the 4 hourly chart. But the Bitcoin dominance, we can expect it going down, guys, for the next coming week. And altcoins are just going to explode. We might have a retest of this resistance point for the Bitcoin dominance. We broke out this support area, okay, and now, yeah, we might have a nice pump here where Bitcoin's going to arrive to $68,000, and then, you know, the Bitcoin dominance will be coming down to the 50% levels, which is going to be crazy for altcoins. You know, the altcoin party has not finished, nowhere near finished. Hi, could you check out SwissBorg? Yeah, SwissBorg. Let's take a look at SwissBorg. Yeah, and Request network, I hope this is going to hold nicely and we're going to break to the upside, or depending if the Bitcoin dominance still goes down. Very important. If the Bitcoin dominance has an incredible pump, we might have a retracement here for Request network, potentially coming and retesting this support right over here. Okay, so yeah, we might come back down, you know, if the Bitcoin dominance continues to the upside, and then continue to the upside for Request network. Okay, let's check out SwissBorg. SwissBorg. US dollar. What's the ticker symbol for SwissBorg? CHSB. Okay, SwissBorg. I know SwissBorg is an app exchange, right? Where you can buy crypto, exchange crypto. Yep, on the 1 hourly, having a really good retracement, potentially forming a double bottom here for SwissBorg. So yeah, if you're bullish on SwissBorg, now is the time to actually accumulate some more SwissBorg. Let's check out the 4 hourly chart. Yeah, great retracement here for SwissBorg. So yeah, this is the all-time high, I believe, the $1.50, creating like a descending, kind of a descending wedge. double bottom here, clear double bottom right over there, here. So yeah, if we break this downtrend to the upside, if we manage to get above this high, this lower high, well yeah, we'll be looking extremely bullish. SwissBorg looking bullish. If you are bullish on SwissBorg, now is a good time to buy actually in this retracement. Double bottom pattern potentially on the 4-hourly chart. If we break this downtrend, here we can see it double topped right over here. SwissBorg doing a double top pattern. You know, it had this support area. You know, measured move from a double top, from the top of the resistance point, from the high, breaking the support level. You know, we can see basic technical analysis. We just arrived to the target nicely for SwissBorg. So it's arrived to the target, now creating a double bottom. So if we break this this lower high over here, right there, you know, well, that'll be definitely coming to retest this this all-time high, I believe it is, at $1.56. Yeah, good buy here in my opinion for SwissBorg for the long term, if you are a believer in this this app exchange. Could you check out SwissBorg? You crypto legend, do you run Discord server? No, I do not have a Discord at the moment, but me and the Bitcoin Sensors team are planning to run a Discord definitely in the near future for the followers. Absolutely. Check out SwissBorg. Another Mediterranean here. Rui Santos, Mediterranean, where from? Andy, will you long retest off previous all-time high 61k? Yeah, I mean, if you are kind of swing trading, BTC is good for a swing trade right now. We might have a huge retracement here and come back down and retest the old all-time high. You can actually day trade this also, do a scalp. So we might come back down. If we go to the 1 minute chart, let's check out the 1 minute. If we pull this all over under here, this over here, we might even come back down and retest the support range and then continue to the upside. You know, but it looks like that the first target here has been met. So if we get the width here of this triangle and from the breakout, guys, look at that. First target met here for the breakout of this symmetrical triangle. Okay, but we could see this as a bull pennant also. This could be a bull pennant. Let me just get the RSI here out of the way so then we have more room. So first target met here, breakout from this symmetrical triangle. First target met right there for Bitcoin. Now we might have a retracement, potentially bouncing here at the support level from the symmetrical triangle. I see this as a pole, you know, huge leg up into this pennant, and from the breakout we could expect 64,500, guys. Definitely for a trade here. But you know, we might have a quick wick to the downside. Remember, a lot of people using leverage now long in BTC. Price is very volatile. We can expect something like this, wick down, boom, and then continue to the upside. But this is a clear bull flag, as you can see, bull pennant broken out, and yeah, we could expect a wick down to the downside here and then continue up. If we do not continue up from here, we have decent amount of volume. You know, when we see this volume, guys, it is going up time. Volume here on the breakout from this pennant. So yeah, should go up, guys, unless we have someone that sells, you know, 200,000 Bitcoin on exchanges right now, then we'll have a dump, but very unlikely. A lot of people holding Bitcoin for the long run. Yeah, if we come down here, very likely I'll place a long. I wouldn't be too sure now placing a long right here because we might have a wick down. And yeah, but definitely 62k. Bartos, 61k. I don't think we'll come down to 61k. We could, but I have this green box because it's the all-time high here on the 4-hourly chart. You know, it's the all-time high at 61,800 here. This is on the Bybit chart. So 62k is 61,800 is the all-time high here. That's why I've got this green box. I believe that we will have a retest and we won't go below that price level. BTC, could you please look at RVN Ravencoin? Let's take a look at Ravencoin. Yeah, anyway, SwissBorg is looking a great buying opportunity here, guys, like I mentioned before. Ravencoin, RVN, US dollar. Let's go with the Binance. You can buy this on Binance, guys. If you are interested in getting any of these tokens, link in the description. You'll be getting a discount in fees if you use my link from Binance, guys. Ravencoin, yeah, huge consolidation phase for Ravencoin. The longer we go sideways here, I mean, this is better for a cryptocurrency. We do not want to see a huge pump like this and then come back down, you know, just like we've gone up. If we go up and have a huge consolidation, this is extremely bullish. This means people believe in the project, people are holding, and the most likely scenario would be having another leg up here for Ravencoin. That's the most likely scenario, okay? If we have a pump like this, you know, since the beginning of February, wow, Ravencoin has had a massive pump, over 1,000% in about a month. Yeah, not even a month, about 25 days. 1,800% pump. Wow, 18x your money in 1 month, guys. This is the beauty of cryptocurrency. If you know when to invest, obviously, because if you invest in the top, it can be very painful. But yeah, looking really bullish. We could, you know, I just use easy technical analysis, so we can see a downtrend here creating lower highs, higher lows. Let's see. It's just consolidating a lot here, so potentially this as a double top, so we could see a retracement maybe for Ravencoin. I'll get this, and this is a breakout to the downside. We could see Ravencoin have a longer retracement, in my opinion. We created this symmetrical triangle, not the most beautiful. The thing with doing technical analysis with altcoins under $1 billion market cap, or just about 1-2 billion, is that they haven't got too much liquidity and the price is just too volatile. Sometimes technical analysis just, it doesn't work because somebody come in with $50 million and buy it and just create a huge pump, or sell it and create a huge dump. So, but it is looking bullish, guys, for the long term. We have a huge consolidation phase right over here. We might come back down and retest this low right over there. So creating potentially a double top right over there. We broke out from this uptrend for Raven, and yeah, we had a bounce here, as you can see, creating these higher lows, broke down, and now we might be coming a little bit lower. But it's been, you know, over a month here, so this is the price level for Raven, looking very bullish. The more time we stay here, the more chances it is to go to the upside, because it's not super hype yet. Once we see, you know, this like that, and then a huge crash to the downside, it's not good. You know, once we're consolidating, very likely that we come back down, maybe create like a descending wedge, and then continue up, guys, in this cycle. If BTC gonna test 61, yeah, well, 61k, mate, It might, guys, it might. Remember, a lot of people hyped now, breaking all-time highs, very dangerous for trading, because you know we could have a huge wick to the downside depending on what leverage you are using. I do not suggest, if you're using Bybit or Femix, I do not suggest more than a 10x leverage. I do not 10x leverage myself. I use 5x, 6x, 8x maybe, because yeah, for day trading I like using PrimeXbt. It's my favorite platform, guys. If you use my link in the description, you'll be getting best bonus available. If you have any questions, let me know also. But if we come down here, I'll be placing a long order here. Definitely, if we come down, because this is the all-time high. So I'll be placing a long right over here if we come down, guys. No, I'm not in a position right now, Mickey Medina. I'm not in a position, but I wanted to make a position. We could actually place a long order if we bounce. You know, if we come back down and retest here, we could potentially look for a bounce. Also, a good way here is this huge candle here on the 5-minute chart. If we create this as a resistance point, it's going to be hard to get below this huge candle. There's a huge amount of volume right over here. You know, look at this volume, and this is the lower part of. Very unlikely that the price of Bitcoin goes below this huge candle, okay? In my opinion, yeah, it's just not. Usually, you know, especially when we have another candle beside it, we have this candle, this other candle with this decent amount of volume, a little bit less, but the most likely scenario would be coming down here, retesting this as support, and coming back up again. So I might do a scalp here. Might do a scalp, but candle's too big. Usually you would put the stop loss behind a huge candle like this, and it's not going to be worth it, because we have, you know, a big distance to the stop loss, and you know, not too big a distance to the profit target. But I might place a live long order, guys, if we come back down, depending if the volume is already drying out here. So it is very, very likely we might, you know, just continue to the upside. Right over here now. BTC, are you in a position? Coinbase IPO tomorrow will most likely drive everything up. Yeah, potentially. Nobody knows. It might be, you know, sell the news event kind of thing. You know, everybody's hyped up right now. Everything's pumping. Bitcoin is pumping. And once the IPO is launched, you know, it's just going to be a big nothing burger. Okay, and everything's going to dump. It is a possibility that, you know, once it launches, everything just goes down. ADA 1 hour. Let's check out the ADA chart again for new people coming in. ADA chart. ADA on the 1 hourly. Oh. Binance. Yeah, ADA on the 4 hourly chart. We've mentioned this before. Looking really bullish, creating higher lows. We've got this huge resistance at the $1.50. We retest again the $1.50, very likely we're going to break, and the target, the measured move here, would be $2. Perfect for a swing trade, guys, because it might take about a week or a couple of days to reach the $2 range if we break this resistance. Let's check out the 1 hourly chart though, see if in the short term. A lot of noise for ADA. ADA, look at this. I mean, how can you do technical analysis on all of that? It's just but anyway, if I see a lot of noise in like the 1 hourly chart or the 15-minute chart, I just go to higher time frames and look at the chart and on higher time frames. And yeah, really bullish, guys, for ADA. I'm looking for a retest here for them in the next coming days. This ascending triangle needs to break out before the 4th of May, potentially just at the end of April. So maybe from a week now, maybe, but potentially retesting resistance and having a breakout here for ADA. So be ready if you want to trade this, guys. You can trade this on Bybit or on Femex if you're interested. Links in the description. The best bonus available, guys. Matic breakout. Let's check out Matic. Matic breaking out. Matic network. Is that Polygon, right? Polygon US dollar or Tethers. Let's check out Matic. Matic US dollar. Yeah, wow, yeah, nice call. Garidesh Sekar, Matic breakout, nice call, man. Let's check out the 1 hourly chart here for Matic. This is a scaling solution for Ethereum, I think. Polygon is a Matic network. Looking really bullish. Let's check out the 1 hourly chart. I'm not sure where you can trade this. You probably in Binance futures. Breaking out, yes, but no, but yes, but. Let's check out. See if we can. Is it maybe something like this? Really breaking out from here. Yeah, we are breaking out from this, just about from this high over here. So I would turn more bullish here for Matic. I think you can trade this on Binance futures potentially. I would be bullish once we break this high over here, or potentially this one. Yeah, if we break this resistance, I'll be turning very bullish for Matic. Right over there. We're just retesting now, so very likely that we come back down and break out this resistance point. We could say that from this high, or you know, it's just a lot of noise, guys. These altcoins, there's a lot of noise. Somebody can come with 50 million, boom, and then have a huge pump or a huge dump. But let's go to the daily chart for Matic. See if there's less noise or more noise. For 1 hourly chart. But yeah, definitely bottoming out here. Looks like also for Matic creating a double bottom right over here. We have this one. So yeah, if we break this resistance point, we just struggled now to break above it for Matic network. Once we break this resistance, very bullish to place a trade, potentially arriving to the all-time high, which is about the 53 cents of a dollar. Measured move from the breakout here, yeah, about 50 cents. We could retest all-time high. Nice consolidation phase, creating double bottom, breaking resistance. Yeah, guys, Matic looking really bullish if we break this resistance point. How to use BitUSD longs chart on TradingView from Bitfinex. How to use BTC US dollar longs charts on TradingView from Bitfinex. I don't understand your question, Andy Waters. How to use BTC US dollar longs charts on TradingView. Can you turn down the music a bit? Okay. Okay. Any TA possible for BTC US dollar long US dollar? Okay, all right. Yeah, I mean, checking out the Bitcoin price, you do TA for short positions or for long positions, right? Correcting me if I'm wrong, Andy Waters. Can you have a look at 1 inch, please? Or 1 inch. Let's take a look at 1 inch. 1 inch US dollar on Binance. Let's go to the 4-hourly chart, zoom out here for 1 inch. Yeah, 1 inch seems like it's struggled to break its last all-time high at $6.30 here on the 4-hourly chart, but created a nice round bottom here, double bottom. Yeah, struggled. It looked like it was breaking all-time high, but it wasn't, and created a huge amount of volume. So yeah, we need to have another attempt here to break $6.3 for inch. But yeah, created a nice two bottoms here, as you can see. So very likely that we are going to try and retest and break out from here. If we still have this bullish sentiment in the cryptocurrency space, we've got the Bitcoin dominance coming down. You know, there's going to be money flooding to altcoins. A lot, guys. Billions and billions of dollars flooding into altcoins. We can clearly see here also for inch creating a double top right over there. Boom, boom. You know, breaking the support line, and you know, meeting the target. As you can see right over here, we had this over there creating a double top and breaking support, and the measured move from the resistance point down to the support area, you know, perfectly met the target, almost perfectly, as you can see right over here. And you know, after meeting the target, created double bottom. And yeah, looking bullish, looking bullish. We have to have another retest here. If this fails, we could come, you know, all the way back down to the double bottom pattern. Actually, we are bouncing nicely from this support area right over here. Yeah, so we might get a bounce right over here and have another retest here for 1 inch. If 1 inch breaks this resistance point, you know, the target for the 1 inch price, it's difficult because this double bottom pattern, you know, from this breakout, we should already, you know, measured move from the bottom here all the way to the resistance point. We've actually already, this is the logarithmic chart, guys. This is why the target changes, as you can see when I move up and down. So this double bottom pattern, the target has already been met, as you can see right over here. That's why it's been struggling, you know, not enough impulse. But if we break resistance, we'll be entering price discovery, so we could have a huge pump, you know, something like this. We could just see 1 inch, and 1 inch is actually pretty famous. They've got it's a like Uniswap exchange, right? So expect a nice pump for 1 inch if we break resistance point. Yeah, on Binance futures, Matic US dollar. Waiting for to retest the previous broken descending diagonal. Yes, like that, Andy. Yeah, on Binance, Matic US dollar. Yeah, BTC US dollar longs. I meant 0.38 entry for Matic. Yes, music is better like that, a bit lower. Alright guys, I'm just going to go to the loop for 1 second. Whoop. Bitfinex sharing information about all open longs on TradingView, calling BTC US dollar longs. Bitfinex sharing information. Calling BTC US dollar longs. I'm not sure what you mean. BTC US dollar Bitfinex. Okay, okay, all right, yeah. This right over here, right? BTC US dollar. But I'm not sure what you want to know, Andy Waters. BTC US dollar longs chart. Bitfinex sharing information about all open longs on TradingView. Oh, okay, calling BTC US longs. Oh, right, okay. So this is the entire information of the longs that they are open right now on Bitcoin. BTC US dollar longs on Bitfinex. So this is the amount of longs, right, on 32,203, and shorts 1,511. Is that right? Correct me if I'm wrong, Andy, because I've never used this chart ever. So BTC US dollar on Bybit. Let's check out, see if we can place a potential long here. Volume is going down, so we might be having a nice bounce here and continuing to the upside. BNB still healthy for overextended or overextended. Okay, let's check out the BNB chart. Whoop. Let's check out BNB, guys. BNB. BNB has just been going ballistic. I did do some analysis just to check out here the charts, but BNB is just going in insanely bullish. We had a huge wick here, so a bit of selling pressure right over here on the 1 hourly chart for BNB at the $630 range. But yeah, it's looking very, very healthy. A lot of hype now with the Binance Smart Chain with PancakeSwap. Just a lot of hype on BNB now at the moment. Yeah, that's what I was drawing on the chart. Also, let's see if it plays out or if it's still keeping marching on. All right, guys, I'm going to finish now. I'm going to take some lunch. So massive thank you for tuning in, guys. Make sure to check out the Bitcoin Sensor website, guys. There's great tutorials, reviews. We've got latest technical